Hello, my name is Alexander Stancescu. I'm a data analyst at btProvider and Tableau certified associate. Today, I want to show you how you can summarize your selections from, let's say, Scatterplot in a table, but also view the individual members from that table. Let's say cohort description. So let's start off by constructing a Scatterplot. I want to look at my customers, but I'll not be looking at profit and sales. I'll actually create a new calculated field called profit ratio, and it will be sum of profit divided by sum of sales. Okay, we got that here. Now let's drag profit ratio onto rows, and let's also drag discount onto columns, and we need to make sure it's the average discount, not the sum discount. So if you have sum, then simply right click it and under measure go into average. Good, and now let's bring our customer name onto detail. So these are all our customers. Let's make this fit entire view. Now, what else I can do in this Scatterplot is maybe bring sales onto the size. Make this a circle. So the size of the circle is giving me how much sales we have with the customer, and maybe also edit the colors. Make the color a bit transparent. Let's say 65. Good, so we got our Scatterplot. Now, what I want to do is when I select something, I want to view a table. So we'll need a dashboard with another table, and we'll also need a set. So let's create a set first. So go to customer name, create set. Let's call this cohort, and put some guys in the cohort. Now let's drag this one onto color, and we already see, okay, my selections are these guys. Okay, so let's call this Scatterplot, and we are done. And now let's create another sheet where we'll do our table. So we'll bring out cohort, so in, out. Then we'll bring customer name onto rows. And now let's double click profit, ratio, sales, quantity, discount, all of them. And you can then organize this however you want. Okay, profit ratio, you need to make it a percentage, fine, good. So now we get, okay, who's in our cohort and who's outside. But I want to see a summarization of the entire cohort and the rest of my selection. So I'll actually go into analytics and drag totals, but I'll drag only subtotals. And we get them here, okay, the summarization. If we go into analysis, then we can say to totals to put them on top, so column totals to top. And now let's right click the cohort here, the set, and don't show it. Now this total, we can actually right click and format and call it cohort. Maybe even modify the font a bit, it stands out. And now if we go into the shading pane, we can even color differently, as you can see, my cohort versus the others. So let's call this table. And now we can make a dashboard. Let's make it a fit automatic and bring out our sheets. Get rid of the legend. And this one fit with. Right. So now when I click here, I want to view changes here. So I'll go to dashboard, actions, add action, change set values. And I'll say unselect, my others, my cohort, and I'll say keep, let's say. So now when I select a few, I get the summarization of my cohort here and the rest of my data here. This is the summarization of my selection. And I can keep it in a table if you are a table lover. So that's how you can get the summarization here in a table and not, let's say, some overall shape somewhere above the dashboard. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us.